Lots of good information, lots of officer safety information, lots of stuff on the objectives and outcomes, identifying and interviewing drivers and occupants, identifying and interviewing witnesses. If you're going to be a highway patrolman, if you want to be a trooper, the section that he does in this book on crashes is fantastic.
But the Rookie Handbook, it's a quick reference guide for calls to service. I'd recommend checking it out.
The Rookie Handbook.
At the Rookie Handbook.
You just got topics of different kind of calls. It's a great way to give you an idea of what you're doing when you're starting out on the job, which would have been nice to have when I was brand new.
It does have a lot of very good information in it that I think would be very helpful for new and aspiring police officers.
I think this book is actually something that's very, very good for not just rookies, but for also just any officers.
So I really found this was useful when I was going out on patrol to just kind of learn to do a lot of the things that were second nature to others. And then it gives you a list of outcomes and objectives.
And one of the great things about this book is that it's objectives and outcomes based.
I think this book is actually something that's very, very good for not just rookies, but for also just any officers. I mean, look at that. You have, you know, stranded motorist calls, which I go to all the time.
So I really found this was useful when I was going out on patrol to just kind of learn to do a lot of the things that were second nature to others. And then it's also just a quick reminder for people that are going through an FTO program, kind of what you want to accomplish on each call.
The author wants you to understand not there's a flow chart for what we need to do in these circumstances, but here is the outcomes. This is what you're aiming toward. So you can tailor your own tactics based upon what's going to get you the outcome to get you there.